Have you ever wondered why it's so challenging to recruit participants for clinical trials? Well, it's not as simple as it may seem. In fact, the process is quite complex and time-consuming, both for the researchers and the potential participants. You see, researchers are tasked with the responsibility of finding suitable candidates for the trials. They must sift through vast amounts of data, matching the specifics of the trial to the medical history and current conditions of potential participants. It's a bit like trying to find a needle in a haystack, only the haystack is made up of complex medical data, and the needle is a single patient who meets all the criteria. And for patients, the journey isn't any smoother. They are often left feeling overwhelmed and confused, navigating through a sea of trials, trying to find one that suits their specific condition. It's like trying to find a specific book in a library without a catalog. This convoluted process has a huge impact on drug development. It slows the pace at which new drugs are tested and approved, ultimately delaying the availability of potentially life-saving treatments for patients. The traditional way of matching patients to trials is not only complicated but also inefficient. But what if there was a better way? Enter the world of artificial intelligence and large language models, or LLMs. Imagine a world where technology doesn't just assist us in our daily tasks, but also aids in combating diseases and facilitating medical breakthroughs. That's precisely the role that artificial intelligence, specifically large language models, are playing in revolutionizing patient trial matching. Traditionally, matching patients with appropriate clinical trials has been a complex and time-consuming process. It involves sifting through vast amounts of unstructured data from electronic health records and trial databases. But now, AI and LLMs are stepping in to streamline this process. How, you might ask? Well, these technological marvels are capable of analyzing unstructured data, extracting relevant information, and matching patients with trials that are most suitable for their specific conditions. This not only saves time, but also increases the chances of finding a perfect match, thereby accelerating the pace of clinical trials and drug development. Take a moment to reflect on the year 2023. The Food and Drug Administration approved 55 new drugs. This was a beacon of hope for patients with various conditions. And guess what played a significant role in this achievement? Yes, you guessed it right, artificial intelligence. This is not a futuristic concept. It's happening right now. A recent study named Rectifier, spearheaded by Harvard Medical School, serves as a testament to the power of AI in the field of patient trial matching. This study demonstrated the potential of AI in accurately identifying trial-eligible patients, and that too at a low cost. The implications of these advancements are profound. We're looking at a future where the process of identifying trial-eligible patients is not only faster but also more accurate. This could mean quicker approvals of life-saving drugs and potentially a better quality of life for patients around the globe. Through the power of AI and LLMs, the process of identifying trial-eligible patients has been transformed, becoming more efficient and cost-effective. This is not just a revolution, it's a transformation that's reshaping the landscape of healthcare as we know it. So, how exactly do AI and LLMs streamline the patient trial matching process? Well, let's dive into that. AI, or artificial intelligence, and LLMs, which stands for large language models, are transforming the way we match patients with clinical trials. Imagine a world where the process of finding the right trial for a patient is as easy as typing a search into Google. That's the potential power of these technologies. Usually, matching patients with clinical trials is a complex, time-consuming process that involves sifting through mountains of data. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack. AI and LLMs, however, can analyze unstructured data from electronic health records and trial databases in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This not only speeds up the process but also reduces the burden of manual work. But it's not just about speed. These technologies also improve accuracy in identifying trial-eligible patients. Remember, every patient is unique with their own medical history and needs. By using sophisticated algorithms, AI and LLMs can pinpoint the perfect match, reducing the risk of errors. This improved accuracy is a game changer. It means that researchers can be more confident in their trial results, and patients can be assured that they're participating in the most suitable trials for their conditions. This ultimately leads to improved outcomes for everyone involved. Imagine the possibilities. A patient with a rare disease, for instance, could be matched with a trial that could potentially save their life. A researcher, on the other hand, could find the perfect participants for their study, speeding up the development of new drugs. This is not a distant future, it's happening now. Recent studies such as Rectifier by Harvard Medical School have demonstrated the potential of AI in accurately identifying trial-eligible patients at a low cost. As we move into the future, the use of AI and LLMs in clinical trials is set to become the norm, changing the landscape of drug development and offering hope to countless patients across the globe.